Welcome to day 12 of the daily stream in celebration of How to Become a Data Scientist, a guide for established professionals. I hope that you'll say hi in the comments. My name is Adam Ross Nelson, data scientist, career coach, and author of How to Become a Data Scientist, a guide for established professionals. This summer, I'm doing the daily stream that you are watching now in order to share information from the book and generally help folks, mid and late career professionals, enter and level up in data. Stay tuned. I plan on talking about prizes that I will be giving away based on a drawing. If you're interested in some free stuff, stay tuned. Or if you're seeing the replay, skip ahead to the end and you can see that information. I can't emphasize this enough. Today's topic, the easiest thing you can do to improve your professional image. It is one of the lowest hanging fruits for candidates who are looking to do better in the job search. Creating a letterhead. Super simple. A fellow career coach of mine, her name is Karen Kelsky. I recommend checking her resources. I ran into her advice several years ago. I was surprised to see it because I had never seen any other career coach or resume writer emphasize the point so strongly. Since then, I too have become a fan of this piece of advice, a professional letterhead. Now, her advice specifically for academics was use your academic department's institutional letterhead. That's not an option for a lot of folks in a lot of other fields. So what I'm going to show you today is how you can develop a personal letterhead. This is specific advice that I give in the book. It's in chapter 6. There it is, actually. There it is. In the book, I show how to do this in Microsoft Word. Today, I'm going to show you in Google Documents. Once again, say hi in the comments. Let's take a closer look at exactly how to do this. So the first thing you're going to do is open up a fresh document. And when you're writing cover letters and resumes, I generally recommend folks start with a fresh document every time. Make sure that you can have clear and fresh metadata in those documents. Who knows how that metadata is being used to your advantage or to your detriment? So let's just start with a fresh document every time. At the very upper left of your document, before you do anything else, type these words. From the desk of. Press return once on the keyboard. Then use the styles palette. There's so many reasons why you should use that. I have information on that in other books and other resources, so I won't go into the details now. In Google Docs, here's how you find the styles palette. It's a simple menu right here. And you're going to choose title. Then you're going to type your name. I'll pretend that I'm Ada Lovelace. And if you don't know who Ada Lovelace is, check some of my other resources. I talk about her quite a lot. I'm just going to type Ada Lovelace. Then I'm going to press return one more time. And then I'm going to type data scientist. If I want to add additional contact information on that second or that third line, I can. Here you would put the date. So let's just say January 29, 2029. I hope you'll let me know if you have questions. Let me show you one more thing. If I just put my cursor back up here on this title area, I can zhuzh this up a smidge by going back to my styles palette and choosing subtitle. If I do that, I get a slightly more dynamic look. I tend to go for this look where I'm using the subtitle here. As promised, I have to tell you about the prizes that I'm giving. The prizes are over here at coaching.adamrossnelson.com/enter to win. I have stacked these 5 prizes together for a total value of about $642. One entrant will win this stack of prizes, and I'll be so glad to find out who that is, get to know that person a little bit better, and work directly one-on-one in the private tutoring package. Once again, the easiest, lowest hanging fruits you can pluck and harvest and reap make a professional letterhead. And this is advice that I give in my book. We are here to celebrate in the daily stream how to become a data scientist, a guide for established professionals. I hope you had a little bit of fun today. I hope that maybe you learned a little bit of something, and I look forward to seeing you in another daily stream.